Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide Instagram following and followers list. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. So sometimes we want to hide our followers and following list. So let me show you my profile. So as you can see in my profile, we can see there's following and followers and following. So if we want, if some of our followers just heads over to our profile and they can see our followers and following list by tapping on them. But if you want to hide it, just head over to the three lines icon on the top right. From here, just scroll down and go to accounts privacy in who can see your content section. So as you can see in this section, when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you can share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages. And your followers and following lists. Certain info on your profile, such as your profile picture and username, is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So make sure you make your account a private account so that no one can just see your followers and following list out of your own followers. So yeah, this is how you can just hide your Instagram following and followers list. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.